Hello, welcome to Cooking with Mahtab channel. Today I want to tell you how to make this very delicious meat cutlet with all the tips. To start, we need 3 potatoes, 1 large onion, salt and turmeric and black pepper, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of flour, 3 cloves of garlic, and 200 grams of ground meat. You can either grate the potatoes and onion or put them in a chopper. If you want to put them in a device like I do, first cut your onions and potatoes into smaller pieces. Then put them in the chopper and blend for 10 seconds until your potatoes and onions are chopped. Do not overblend so it doesn't turn into puree. Add the garlic at this stage as well. Adding garlic is completely optional. After grating or chopping, drain the excess water. Then pour it into a deep and suitable container along with the ground meat, flour, and enough salt, which I added a teaspoon of. Add a teaspoon of turmeric and black pepper, which is also to taste, and 1 egg. Mix until completely combined. Pour some oil into a pan and place it over low heat. Let the oil heat up. Shape your cutlets however you like and place them in the pan. Smooth the surface with a spoon and then fry both sides. If the stove heat is too high, they won't cook through and will burn. After frying all the cutlets, remove them from the pan and place sliced tomatoes in the same pan. Fry the tomatoes as well, and then you can enjoy this incredibly delicious dish with rice or fresh bread. Enjoy your meal and don't forget to subscribe and like. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you were looking for free cookbooks, be sure to check out the link in the bio.